I'm recording. I'm recording. Come on, bring them over. Say, come along.
Okay. Okay?
That's all right. Needs the grass. Needs some grass. Because how many? Oh, as many as he wants. There you go. Uncle, put his head down to have some more.
Say, come. Say, come. Let him know where you want him to go. First. There you go. Say, come.
You're doing good.
There
See?
you go. Nice job.
Perfect.
Now let him come bite grass.
Perfect. Oh, Sophia, you're awesome.
That's their treat, to be able to eat grass. They love it. Oh, because it just tastes so yummy.
Well, during the winter, all they get is old, dry hay, so they're really happy to get grass.
It'd be like you eating your Cheerios every morning with no milk,
Get marshmallows.
and then getting to go out and have them with milk.
Oh, oh. Sophia, just jump. Just a jump.
Oh, a little bit of wind.
I wish it was Joust.
Oh.